Hey, good morning. I'm back at the park again today. And today I wanted to talk about, or rather try to simplify the term or topic of inflation. So, here in my hand, I have a blade of grass. Okay. So, the biggest problem with using this blade of grass as currency, well, for one, it can eventually wither up and die. So, I mean, it almost becomes useless. It's probably easy to lose, I would think, too. Hard to keep track of. And then more point, so like, if this is equal, if this one blade of grass is equal to, say, $1, but then I do this, and now I've got two separate pieces, is this piece still worth $1, or are they now 50 cents? But really, when the bottom line is that the biggest problem with using grass as currency is that it's just so common. It's everywhere. So its value is not very good. But let's just say somewhere there was a shopkeeper who was willing to take blades of grass as payment. You wanted to go buy a loaf of bread or a dozen eggs, or maybe a gallon of milk. Do you think you would need like a lot of these blades of grass in order to buy anything? It's probably a pretty safe answer is yes. So a lot of people believe that inflation is basically the result of, people raising prices, right? But the simple fact, that's just the end result, because when there's too much of anything, the prices by necessity need to go up, inflate. So the reality is that we have inflation, not because people are raising prices, but because the unit of currency is too readily available. When there's too many dollars floating around, its value suddenly goes down. Imagine if suddenly the world supply of gold went up 100 times. Its value would drop significantly from its $4,000 current valuation per ounce to, I don't even know, but it would be much less. So anyway, I just hope to try to explain what inflation really is that when something is too common, its value is declined. All right, thank you very much. Have a great day, okay?